sleep. I took a Sominex, but voices in my head kept saying, go to see more, talk to see more. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You looking cute as can be.
Is someone in there?
You looking mighty sweet.
Seymour.
No, it ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe this.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas either.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with the dog. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't think I should.
Hey, little baby.
You want water, right?
Show you what we
That's not fine.
don't need no glass of wine.
I'll be careful.
Don't need no twist of line. And now it's supper time. Audrey, you all right?